Ohayou gozaimasu.
Today we're trying Japanese candies. This is the first one we're starting out with. It looks like a little cookie, Pokemon. Okay, they're a little individually wrapped. It's a little cookie.
Oh, that's really good.
Wait, it's soft.
Yeah.
I give that like an 8 out of 10.
Next we're doing Pikachu Coca-Cola.
Oh, it's gum. What?
Oh.
That's cool. It has like the little characters on it. Oh.
Brown?
What? Why is it brown?
You think it's gum or do you think it's like toffee?
Maybe it's like a wafer.
Nope, that's gum.
It's Coca-Cola flavored.
It's spot on. How do they do that?
ASMR. It's really chewy.
Really chewy. 8 out of 10. I mean,
Spot on with the Coca-Cola, man. Update, it's not gum. It's dissolving in our mouths. It's consistency of gum, but it's not gum. It's like almost like a caramel, like melting. What?
next up we got some Super Mario flavored gummies.
They're gummies. Here they are. Little Mario and Yoshi.
This one comes in just the 2 flavors.
Just 2 flavors.
That's really chewy. Huh.
Just like,
Green apple?
mm-hmm.
Is it also apple? Maybe it's like red apple.
I don't know what Mario tastes like. And what would you rate it?
Probably 6 out of 10.
Yeah. We're trying the banana caramel Kit Kat. We haven't tried this flavor, so I'm super excited.
Better than I was expecting.
Mmm.
Huh.
That's like a protein bar, but like caramelly. I don't know. Mmm. We're running out of time, but we rate this one a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Pretty good.
Come back to the next one.